Alright, Kevin, so we're going to cover a couple things in this video. I'm going to show you how to check for updates on your site. I'm going to show you some, even though I already updated them all because I messed up, but whatever. Then we're going to download the new version of Drupal. We're going to delete sites and profiles from the new download that we just get. Then we're going to upload the new Drupal that we just downloaded. We're going to delete the old files on your server. Then we're going to extract and move the files from the download. So let's first go to the updates on your site. So come to your site. The easiest way to do it is just go to modules and then go to available updates right here. And then that's just all about your Drupal core, whatever. Then go up here to update, little tab. Your MD slider will never update. You can get updates of it from where I got the template from, but it's a pain in the butt, so it's okay. So I'm going to update the CK editor, and I'm going to show you why this one's complicated. So right now it works just fine. So we're going to update this. Download updates. You do this for all modules, and always back up your site before you do an update, just in case something goes wrong. So run updates. Continue, and then it should give a little load bar. Maybe. Oh. There, so it updated. Let me make sure it didn't mess this up. So let me refresh the page. My high-speed internet's going so slow. Yeah, see, so it messes it up when you update CK editor. Oh, there it goes. No, it didn't mess it up. I guess they fixed that problem. Well, it used to mess it up. You used to have to go and then download this thing and then install it. I was just making sure so I could show you how. But we're good. So let's go and we'll check your updates. So we'll go to modules, and then available updates. This first going to be the core. See, so it's all the core, and then up to date, up to date, up to date, up to date. They're all up to date. That's fine. Except for your slider, but that one's a pain in the ass because you can't really update it. And this is the this is actually from the template. So the MD slider and that one are the ones that you can't really update. So now let's go to Drupal.org. So you come here and you come up to Get Started, top left. We're gonna download. I know it says 8, but it's not. So you come over here and you get the version 7. So we're gonna download the zip. Yeah, okay. And once that's downloaded, you come to your downloads where you downloaded it, and you gotta delete the profiles and the sites out of it. So those are the files we're gonna save on the server. So we go into it, we get sites, and then profiles, and we're just gonna delete them completely. You don't want anything from them. So yeah, and then they're gone, and we can get out of there. Now we come to your server. We're gonna click the top. We're gonna come into our www root. We're gonna click the top one, and hold shift and click the bottom one. We want to just save everything that's not part of this Drupal site. So all of this is Drupal site, and I know it's all a lot of weird words going on in there, but if you don't know, like Trainetry, that's obviously a site. Then here's the sites folder, and here's the profile folder that we just deleted out of there. No Spill Grill, we want to save that one. FTP Kevin, we want to save that one, and catering. That's pretty much everything. Everything else is just trash. It's not something we've added to the actual server. So we'll delete all those. And then we're gonna upload that new file we just downloaded. This is right here. So it's complete. Then we'll refresh the page. And there it is right there. So now we're gonna go into that. Oh, sorry. We're gonna click it once and we're gonna extract the files. I'm just gonna tell you a bunch of crap. I don't even know what that means. Whatever. And now here's the folder that just popped out of there. We can delete this. We don't need that anymore. So we go into this one, and there's no more sites or profiles in there, so we can click the top one, scroll down, click the bottom one with shift. Now we got everything selected. We want to say move file, so move file. I think you can right click it and say, yeah, move or move. Then just delete it out of this folder and it'll automatically pop back into the public HTML. So delete that, say move, and your file should be updated, or your site should be updated. So let's go back to modules and see what happens. Sometimes it's, yeah, there we go. So available updates, oh whoops, that's not what I wanted. Available updates. No, everything's up to date except for those two, so everything should be good. So it's pretty easy, and I hope that was helpful. Alright, see you later, Kevin.